Not really sure which type of fuel filter this thing's got on it. There's a couple different options, and it's under spring pressure. Ah, this one got the paper. Some of these were actually stone type filters. But yeah, there's a spring in the bottom of there. Yeah. It holds pressure on the filter and holds it up against the inlet. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and upload the video of just a teardown on this Rochester Quadrajet. And whenever I get the float, we'll get her all put back together and buttoned up for the guy and hopefully make him happy.